We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Ferris ISX800 with a 52-inch cutting deck. This mower does have a 52-inch cutting deck. It's going to be made of the 10-gauge steel. Here you have the Ferris suspension system. Have your adjustable seat here for an extra comfortable ride. Goes well with your very cushioned seat. You have a built-in cup holder, as well as a 5.5 gallon fuel tank. This does come with the rollover protection system. This mower comes with a 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine, as well as Hydro Gear ZT 3400s. Here you have your controls, your choke, your PTO. You also do have your hour meter over here as well. This mower does have aluminum spindles, has a rubber chute. Here you have your cutting height adjustment, which is foot pedal operated. And your cutting heights are going to be between 1.5 inches and 5 inches. Once again, this is the Ferris ISX800 with a 52-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower or any other mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds that can make you a great package.